Hi friends, and welcome back to online learning this week. I'm really happy to see you and be with you and just looking at all of your work. I'm just so very proud of you. So let's get to our morning meeting. We're going to start with our calendar today. So it's still the month of April, and today is Monday, April 13th, 2020. So how many days have we been in April? Well, let's count. We'll start on April Fool's Day. That was our first of April. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Happy birthday, Maya. 11, 12. Happy Easter. And 13. So we have been in the month of April for 13 days. Now let's talk a little bit about our holidays. We had April Fool's Day on April 1st, Yusuf's birthday on April 3rd, Maya's birthday on April 10th. Hope you had a great day. And then we had Easter on April 12th. Now we also have a question mark here for April 20th. Does anyone remember what that question mark was for? That question mark was for when the Moroccan government will come together and think about and talk about, are we ready to go back to our school? Is it safe? Then we have a bowl of dates here. What was that one for? Ramadan. Ramadan starts on April 23rd. And we have some news that on April 24th, we will not have school online. You will not have any assignments from me. Then Saturday is Sunday and then spring break. That's how April will look for us. I want to ask a question. How many days ago was Maya's birthday? Let's start on today and go back. 1, 2, 3. Maya's birthday was 3 days ago. Now, how many days until Ramadan? Let's start on the 13th, which is today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 days until Ramadan. The next thing I want to talk to you about is Zoom. 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 That's a funny word. Well, zoom can mean to go very fast when our car will zoom by, but there's also a way to talk to our friends who are far away on video chat by using something called Zoom. And I'm going to be inviting you to meet with me on Zoom on Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday of this week. It is an option. That means that you don't have to come. It's only if you and your family would like you to come. And let me show you. The Zoom calls are going to be at 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. On Wednesday, we have Isa, Jad, Anaya, Kenza, Amir, and Neil. On Wednesday at 1 o'clock, you will click on the assignment called Zoom, and if you want, you can have a Zoom call with me and these friends, and we'll just talk and maybe eat snack together and have some time together to talk. On Thursday, we have Yusuf, Ryan, Renad, Maya, Ali, and Atzman at 1 o'clock. On Friday, we have Shamsi, Jinan, Masamba, Lena, Sarah, and Daniel at 1 o'clock. So if you want to spend time with me and talk to me on your computer, then you can meet with me at 1 o'clock on Zoom and spend time together. Remember that you need to ask your parent if this is something that they want you to do, and they can help you get ready for your Zoom call. Great. If you have any questions, you can tell me your question in the response to this assignment. Thank you, friends.